guys, it's your boy Dragon Joe 2569, and yes, I did change my name. For some because you guys were calling, like, I don't know why, but you guys were calling my name like a joke, and I didn't really like that, to be honest. So I changed my name, and yeah, let's go to some Dean Draft. Never mind that, guys. Please, guys, don't understand that. 4, 3, 2, 1. What we call? Team of the Year PK. They're still out in drafts. Should we make a hybrid? Thinking to go with Boateng, but at the same time we have Ramos, so I'm not gonna risk it, because every time I risk it for a chocolate biscuit, it always goes wrong. So should we do a BBVA team, or should we do hybrid? You know what? Hybrid. Ooh, Hector. Okay, if we can get Cruz. Okay. I guess. Come on, we need the Cruz. No, your mom. No. Actually, we got Bender. Hilarious joke. This looks better there, yeah. Because if we get Messi, which we're not, so we're going to get Dembele instead for the right wing. Lewandowski, hopefully. Oh my god, I got team of the week, Ronaldo. Oh, in form, that's sick. Should we go for Royce? Since we're going like BBVA, I mean Bundesliga, I guess we can. I mean, yeah, we're still gonna stick with those three, cause they still get 10 chem, cause like PK links to Ramos links to goalkeeper, and yeah, it's just confusing kind of. Okay, not really good. Oh, Team of the Year, Dani Alves. You can set for 2 Team of the Year so far. Oh, Lallana. Not bad at all. Douglas Costa. I'll put Royce up front. I feel like Royce deserves to be up front. Oh, you know what? I think I regret that. I think you have to put Ronaldo or Messi up front. Because, like, if you're not going to play, like, the 2 best players on the game, what are you doing? I mean, I guess we're going to have to go BBVA or Liga Santander, whatever they call it. Sorry guys if you think my voice is going. It actually is. So, apologies if you realize. Oh, that links very nicely. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay. Oh, now I get it. Now we just need a Spanish player. Oh, Spanish defender, which we don't have. That's sad. Okay, finish. What's the rating? 178. I guarantee we're gonna have one more sick draft. So let's see who we versing. We're versing this team, Villarreal. No, that isn't Villarreal, I think. But anyway, we're winning 2-0. Yeah. So okay. We're versing Barcelona. Okay, we're gonna lose. Oh, Douglas Costa pulling the comeback. Can he get a hat-trick? No, it was them. Okay, we're gonna open the 2 gold packs and that's it. See what we get. Ooh, Lallana. my god, two informs in the pack. That they are rubbish, but okay. Let's go. Oh my god, that is sick. Who won? Oh my. Sevilla beat Barcelona. And obviously Real Madrid had to win it. Restart. And then. So yeah, this game's actually kind of fun. You make some drafts. And I've been playing this game for a long time. And those packs are actually sick. Anyway, should we make a hybrid again? Even though it's probably gonna end up probably rubbish, but okay. Put it in the middle, because we can put it around them as well. Okay, Roberto Firmino, this works. A bungalow. Oh my, who remembers the bungalow hole? He has so many pace, man. He like on steroids or something. Come on, Ramos. We need Ramos. No, your mum. Okay, Barcelona left back. Barcelona left back. No, your mum. Scheiße. Okay, this kind of works though. We could get Titi because it links to Kante. Once to watch. Oh no. Guys, I'll show you my squad in a minute. Wait. My club players. Look at that. 98 Neuer. 96 Modric. 95 Cruz. 94 Ibra. 95 Ibra. 93 Ibra. 93 Higuain. No more Messi. No more Neuer. No more Neymar. Squad building challenge. Modric, Inform Aguero, Inform Silva, Inform Dybala, Inform Cruz, Inform the Godin, De Bruyne, Kane, and Mkhitaryan, and many others. I've had so many informs, guys. You don't even know. Like, if you scroll down, the worst player I've been getting is in gold players. In gold players, the worst player is 80 rated. I mean, the highest rated player is 98 because of that Neuer. That Neuer is actually sick. Anyway, I don't know if I should. It still goes for the. Okay, so should we get her? I'm thinking to do something I've never done before. Striker. Guys, never mind this, please. Oh. Team Ronaldo, it just has to be. Sorry guys about this. Anyway. Striker, we need a striker. This is, oh my god, we didn't even get the right pick. Casemiro. Oh, wait, I just realized he can link. He gives Payet full Kim. He gives Payet full Kim. Because he gets links, and then he will give him links, and then Kante still is on 7 Kim. But that's Kante, and that's us. Oh, Lloris! Just if. I mean, we got it linked. So. We got Sanchez, so that's right. Alright, we may need Payet. 179. Alright. Man City has our first game. Oh, this is tight. 1-1. 2-1. Yes, Roberto Firmino. Yes. Who will we verse? Oh, we're versing Bayern Munich. That's actually my favourite team. So, oh, no, yes. Come on, I told you, Payet. Oh my god, the captain. Oh my, no, yes. We won. Whew. Oh, Real Madrid. Oh. Are we gonna win this? Yes, Payet. Yes, Cruz. We won. Alright, are we gonna win this? Come on. Come on, come on. No, it's always there. Okay, gold pack. Who are we gonna get? Ooh. Oh, Lucas, he's rubbish. Oh, 2,000 pack again. That's it. Oh, he's rubbish. Oh, 4 informs in him. Oh, Tim. Oh, Timothy and yes. Oh, oh my god. I got a legend. Legend. Oh my god. This is the best pack ever. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh your mum. Oh my god. That is, even though we lost, oh, that is sick. That's 40 years in my collection. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more. Holy rubbish.